You're pretty kitties. Hey, sweetheart. You're the playful one, huh? And you're the walker. This must be Sleepy. Hey, Sleepy. Say hello, Sleepy. Say hello, Sleepy. Oh, stretch. Hey, precious Sleepy. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, baby. Oh. And this is Mew Mew. Hi, Mew Mew. Hi, Mew Mew. We don't have a name for this guy. And back there being all playful, that's Lucky. Hi, Lucky. Hey, Lucky. What are you playing with? What are you playing with? Get that. You get that. This one's a boy, and he's got gray markings on his nose. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. And he's got little gray booties on his feet, and gray tips on his ears. Then we've got Mew Mew, who basically looks like a little cow. And then we have Sleepy here, he's a boy. This one's a girl. Mew Mew's a girl. This one's a boy with little white tips as well. But he doesn't have the booties, but a precious little face and some gray markings on it. Not like the gray nose here. And then Lucky back here, who's been playing this whole time. Lucky Lucky is all black, and Lucky's a girl. She has little white booties and a little white chest and a little white nose. Little white booties on the back too, back here somewhere. There they are. She is definitely the most playful. This one's definitely the most social. Everywhere I am, he wants to crawl to come see me. Let go. There you go. That one's definitely Sleepy. Hey, little guy, you sleep a lot. You sleep a lot. And here, we have Mama talking. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama Kitty. Mama Kitty, I have your babies. I have your babies, Mama. Okay, say bye, guys.